The OT200 is the smallest professional use ceiling hoist on the market. It's got some very unique features. For instance, like a hybrid car, it charges itself whenever it's in use. So it's putting power back into the battery, and we're getting well over 100 cycles before it needs charging. As well as being very small, which is important for looks, but also when you're passing from one room into another through a doorway, the compact hoist really comes into its own. It's got some other unique features. There's no lights at night, it's very quiet, and it's a very reliable hoist.
Cameron has Duchenne muscular dystrophy, which is a severe muscle wasting condition. To come here to have a ceiling hoist already in place, you literally just put him in the car, you come here, you get him out of the car, you use the ceiling hoist, pop him straight into bed. You've not got the worry of setting up, charging the battery, and it's all just set up, and it is literally home from home.
We have a very wide range of track solutions, and in fact we can do pretty much anything that's needed. The best way to think of ceiling hoist track is like a little boy's toy train set, but upside down on the ceiling. So we can do turntables, curves, we have infrared hoists for our swimming pools, and we have a whole variety of solutions, and in fact there's very rarely an installation that we can't do.
Ceiling hoist is fantastic. Our hoist at home, we don't have a bath. With here, you can literally put him straight on the hoist, take him right the way through to the bath. It literally, I'd say, it cuts the job by a good 20 minutes and just makes things so much easier. It really does.
By having one contractor that's coming into work on your ceiling hoist and your assisted bath, your through floor lift, etc., it dramatically decreases the cost, reduces the risk for any errors, and just makes the whole process of specifying and getting the right equipment much easier.
See you on the other side. Stay alive. Stay alive. I got to keep it together. Keep it together.
like that. I like that.